Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install NetBeans 8.2 IDE in Manjaro Linux 17.1 KDE Plasma Edition. So Oracle JDK 1.8 is the minimum requirement to run this version. Before I start the installation, I give my basic information about this mission. So this is Manjaro Linux 17.1 virtual machine with KDE Plasma version 5.12 and kernel version 4.14 with 8 GB RAM installed. Now you can see that JDK 1.8 it is already installed in my machine, and I will be configuring JDK 1.8 as my Java home in my profile. So in Java home is now pointing to Oracle JDK 1.8 installation directory. So now I open the terminal and execute source.profile. So now the Java version is enabled. Java JDK 1.8 is enabled in terminal. So now I am going to execute NetBeans 8.2 linux.sh file, which is already downloaded from netbeans.org website. So I have started the NetBeans 8.2 installer. So now I am selecting only few components: base IDE, Java SE, and features on demand. So rest of the features I am unselecting. Accept the license agreement. So here the JDK will be 1.8 for this IDE. So start the installation. So installation was completed successfully. Now I minimize my terminal and go to the desktop. You can see NetBeans 8.2 icon is created. So I will click on that icon, which will start up the IDE now. So welcome screen has arrived. Now I am going to create one new Java project which will activate the Java SE now. So I am giving some project name and class name. Now the project created successfly with one main class. So I am going to print one welcome message using system.out.println. save the file. And now I am going to run this Java file. Good. Output is printed successfully. So I confirm NetBeans 8.2 installation in Manjaro Linux 17.1 KDE Plasma Edition was successful. And IDE performance purely depends upon your Linux display manager, RAM, and graphics card you installed. Subscribe our channel Java FRM and share it to your friends. Goodbye.